Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a little quick video of how to do the wheel hub assembly. Not exactly quite sure what years this will work on, but this is a 97. It's a Celine, but it's a GT Celine. So I'm thinking it probably will work all the way up into like 2000 or 2001. I'm not exactly 100% sure, but yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is an old assembly. That's my caliper setup. That's the axle nut. I started recording right now, that way so I can show you guys of what exactly is going on. So let's go ahead and get into it. So these are your caliper bolts. For those, it's going to be a 15 for the caliper bolts, depending on if you changed them or not. For this particular axle nut, it's going to be a 36. I don't know if different years on Mustang are different, but at least for this purpose and at least for the GTs, they're 36. Not really exactly quite sure for V6, but so anyways, if you're not sure how to get the caliper off, there's the caliper and it sits right here. So when you have the caliper on, you know, these bolts right here are going to be threaded in from the back of the caliper into here. So like I'm saying, there's the old wheel hub assembly. This one's all shot. It's bad. So I haven't really looked at the bearings either, but yeah, this car was, you know, it didn't really see too good of a days when I was being stupid with it. But yeah, so there's your new hub assembly. I'm sorry, there's your old one, and here's the new one. Not that easy to be on camera doing this. Save that plastic bag, and I'm going to tell you why. So here's your new one. So the idea, clean it off as best as you can. And when you clean it off, it just literally slides into place. And then you put your axle nut on and all that. But before you put it on, we're gonna have to do a few things. There we go. It's really hard to do this off camera. On camera. So what you're gonna need is some grease and some brake cleaner. So if your Mustang is equipped with ABS, you would want to clean this. This is your ABS sensor. It plugs in right there in the back. Let me see if I can get it. There it is. There's your bolt for your ABS. And that's your sensor right there. So let's go ahead and clean it real quick. You want to clean it thoroughly because over time, this thing picks up a lot of dirt, a lot of metal shavings, magnetic stuff. So you want to clean that. Okay, next, you're gonna take your grease. You know, we can use this little bag. Let me see how am I gonna record this. So you would want to take your bag, put it over your finger. This is me. Like some other people, they don't care if they get grease on them Well, me, I do care. So, so there we go. Take your grease. And we're gonna take the grease and we're just gonna go ahead and put a good little coating. We're just gonna go ahead and do a good little coating on it, like that, like so. And there we go. So that part is done. All right, so let me switch back over to my clean hand. Like I'm saying, it's not that easy to do this one hand, but there we go. And there we go. Now you put your axle nut back on, and I don't have a torque wrench, so this is gonna have to be hand tightened as much as I can. And for the rest of this, I'm gonna have to do it without the camera because I can't really do this one-handed. So yeah, so you get the axle nut back on, you get your rotor, you put it back on, you get your rotor, you put it back on there, and then when you're done with the rotor, you put this onto your caliper bracket, or let's say you put your caliper back onto the bracket, you bolt it up, and then what I'm still gonna do when I have the car on the floor, I'm still gonna try to bolt this. I'm still gonna try to tighten this, but yeah, and then after you get done, put your tire back on, your wheel, and then you're done. Well, anyways, guys, well, I was trying to make this video short. I know I haven't really posted that much for a while. I know, I'm sorry, I've been busy. I've been working, I'm trying to get some money. I'm really trying to make money on media, but obviously that's not really working out too much. If you guys want to see me start making like other different kind of content, I don't know if you guys can, but DM me. If not, drop it in the comments, whatever. But yeah, anyways, please like, rate, subscribe, all that good stuff. And then until next time, go ahead and stay safe, stay dirty. I don't know why that thing's doing it, but yeah, hopefully there's gonna be some new content coming out. Thank you.